Wish the GoPro had a smellometer. Can you smell it? It's all you can smell. On another note, there are crocs in here. If you haven't put it on your list, make sure you come and see it. Welcome back to another episode. Yes, I'm going up the stairs. I'm going up the stairs to one of North Queensland's famous little spots. Can you guess what? We're in Tully. We are in Tully and I am up top of the famous gumboot. Gumboot, you might say? Well, I'll tell you a little fun fact. So, Tully is one of the wettest little towns in Australia. And back in 1950, she had so much rain, representing the height of this gumboot, which I'll show you from the ground soon, making it around about 7.9 meters high. That's pretty crazy. That's a lot of water. So we are going to take you around Tully, show you around, show you a few things, see what we can find. It is a little bit overcast today, but you know what? It's still bloody warm. So let's see where we end up and what we can find. And you know what? Now I've got to go all the way to the bottom again. Let's go. This will be my exercise for the day. Beautiful is Alligator's nest. We had no idea it was even here, so it was a really good find. It is in the national park, so there's no animals allowed. There's a brilliant day use area which includes barbecues, seating area and flushable toilets. We're the only ones here. It is a bit overcast today. The water was fresh, but I've got to say it was absolutely beautiful. So we're just going to enjoy our adventures around Tully. I reckon it probably take you around about 10 minutes from the township of Tully to get out here, and it's all on a sealable road. GoPro had a smellometer. Can you smell it? It's all you can smell. It's just like the sugar cane going through that big furnace. It smells so nice actually. We made our way to the Tully Gorge. I'm pretty keen. As you can see the sign behind me, the water levels here actually rise really quick. Yeah, we've had a little bit of rain over the last few days. She's running fast, so we're just going to be careful. We're going to take a little track down and have a look and see what we can find. Out to this point from the town itself was probably around about 50 kilometers, but it's an easy drive. It's very scenic and yeah, just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Highly recommend it. This little beauty too, cassowaries. We haven't actually seen any today, but we'll keep an eye out. I can't believe that we are in the cassowary coast and I haven't actually seen as many as I expected. But you know what, it comes and goes, and I guess they must just be hiding in the bushes. So I found a little pathway, just got to go down and explore. So they do offer a number of whitewater rafting day trips and stuff out here as well. So if you're keen to do something like that, I'd highly recommend just jump online through Tully or Mission Beach and they'll get you out here. It's pretty loud, I can hear it already, we're getting closer. Where we were before at the, which was funny, the alligator nest, it was completely safe to swim there. Tully Gorge, on another note, there are crocs in here. So I'm gonna say if we find some little rock pools, then that might be okay, but yeah, I wouldn't suggest going just crazy here because there's definitely still crocodiles here. Ooh, it's getting louder, I can hear it. So beautiful. Make sure you put this on your list, guys. Tully Gorge, simply stunning. And remember, we're in winter. Now I've got to walk up that. Oh, goodness. That doesn't look very steep, but it is. You want to see where this track brought me out? Here! It's just something else. So yeah, if you haven't put it on your list, make sure you come and see it. It's definitely worth the drive out here for sure. I think I'm there. I can see Big Breezy. There he is. He's hiding in the bushes. So just before you get to the very end of the Tully Road, or the Tully Gorge Road, you'll see some indicators. This one, number 11, that's the one that you want for the waterfall. So with the camping, you can actually book online if you just go on to Queensland National Parks. In general, it's around about $7 a night. Here's pretty cool, actually. You've got fire pits, you've got your table and chairs, toilets, there's cold water showers, and yeah, so many people just choose to come here either just to hang out or to tackle the whitewater rafting. That's pretty cool. Or you can just bring your kayaks, but I'm going to say you would need to be experienced for sure. There is actually no reception here. We're carrying our Zolio with us today as well. So yeah, just to remember that there's definitely no reception out here. This little walk just takes us down to the river. There are crocodile signs. So definitely no swimming in here, as beautiful as it looks. Look at this. Just off to the side in the camping area, which is sort of adjoined to the day use area when you drive in, there's actually a butterfly walk. It's around about 400 meters. We're actually not going to be doing that one today, but if you're out here, come and check it out. We have noticed since we have been in this part of the, I guess, the tropics, that there's so many beautiful, beautiful blue butterflies. They're just amazing. And the dragonflies as well. They're like bright iridescent blue. It's actually not turned out to be such a bad day today. When we left this morning, it was raining and it was overcast, but I've got to say in that, it's not cold or windy, so we definitely shouldn't be complaining. We're going to end our Tully day trip here, guys. We hope that you've loved it as much as we have. And remember, if you're out that way, stop on in. It's so cool. And you know what? There's just so much more to see as well. We're back at our camp, so we're going to end it. You will see us next week in another episode. Remember, if you're loving the videos, give us a thumbs up, flick us a comment, and you know what? You'll see us somewhere else next week.